Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check UUID number on LENOVO V15. First you have to open the BIOS menu, and to do that power off your device completely, then press the power button to turn it on, and then repeatedly press the F2 button until the BIOS menu appears on your screen. Now in the BIOS menu you will see the UUID number string right here. You can also find a lot of useful information here, as for example Lenovo serial number, the pre-installed iOS license, key ID, and the product name. Basically everything. Everything you need to know about your computer, except for maybe the hardware specifications. You can navigate in this menu using left and right keys to change tabs, down and up keys, arrow keys to change the option. To apply to exit from this menu, press escape. Now if you want to do some changes, press F10 to save and exit. If you want to reset defaults, press F9 and then press enter to confirm. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.